broken. Hate to admit it, but I got a rush. Ain't slowing down. I forget it. Oh, Little Big Town. Yeah, Little Big Town.
That was great. I haven't heard that song in a while.
Yeah, I know, right?
All right, folks, so make some noise if you're still with us.
We need more requests, guys.
I love you guys. Y'all been drinking since 9 in the morning. Y'all went to the beach. Done got day drunk. Passed out. And now you're back here partying with us. I love you. Thank you for being
I'm like, are
here.
you talking about us? Because that's basically what we did.
That's basically what we did. I'm talking about us. I'm not talking about y'all. We got drunk and we passed out.
I gotta go 3 for 3.
I really burned on the beach. I got a bad sunburn.
Ooh.